Unique performance, convenience, and safety features are built into every LiftMaster boom. These booms are fabricated from structural steel with welding to meet AWS standards. Creates a rugged and durable boom that will provide long-term service. Telescopic units come with an infinitely adjustable locking screw. Fork pockets for 3,000 and 4,000 pound capacity models measure 7.5 inches wide by 2.5 inches high usable. Usable fork pockets are 7.25 inches wide and 2.25 inches high for 6,000 and 8,000 pound uniform capacity models. A 36-inch safety restraint secures the boom to the fork truck for safe operation. Each unit includes 2 lifting hooks. Some of the models include the following: Econo Boom, Heavy Duty Boom, High Riser Boom, Orbital Boom, and Shorty Lift Master Booms.